Hey everyone, so it has been a minute since I did a screencast and I wanted to get started with something easy. Several months ago, Articulate came out with an update for corner radius. So I'm going to tell you all about corner radius. So what corner radius is, and let's just slap a shape on here. I'm just going to put a rectangle. Um, you may have noticed when you have a shape or an image or another object that you have these little circles inside of the shape or the object. And what that is to control the corner radius. And so now you can adjust the radius as you see fit. And so you can do a couple of different things here. Just without going into the format menu, you can adjust the radius of all corners by selecting one of the circles and moving the radius where you would like it. Or if you only want to adjust one corner, you can, so say I want this bottom corner, you can press the Alt key on your keyboard and adjust just that one. So you're kind of creating this new shape. Now, if you want to go into your format context menu, you'll see that there's a corner radius option here. When you select that, you can choose to either adjust all of the corners using a value or a percentage, or you can adjust one corner at a time. And so if you adjust all corners, say to 20%, you're going to see that your shape changes so that all corners are at 20 pixels. If you want to use percentages, you just select percentages and then say we had 20%. All corners have been adjusted to 20%. Now, if you want to reset it to default, you can do that. And then if you want to adjust each of the corners to a slightly different radius, all you have to do, and you can do the same thing where you have the pixels or you have the percentage, and you can tweak your corner radiuses accordingly. So say we're going to do 10, 10, 10, and then I want to go like 30 pixels or even something more extreme, 50. And then when you click close, you will see your adjustments have been applied.